What is up, my dudes and dudettes and peeps? Yeah, I'm back to doing the stupid modeling shit because look, somebody hired me to make a thing, okay? And you know what? I don't know how to make things clip, okay? All I want to do is make this lid clip into this box. And yeah, it's from Magic the Gathering. All right, look, I even made the fucking logo right here. Legally, I probably can't do that, but I'm not selling this box. But I might sell the design later. I just have to get rid of this fucking shit right here. But if anybody can help me figure out how to make little lid clips so that when I slot the lid onto the box, it fucking clips and it stays. They would be fantabulous. Okay? My little dudes and dudettes. Because my client wants that. Right? Alright? The card's going vertically this way. And it stores about 1,500 cards, give or take, probably. I actually don't know off the top of my head. That's just my calculations. But what I'm trying to get at here is that my client wants a cool box to put all of his fucking Magic cards in. And I just want the little notch to clip in right there. Actually, would be the other way. So this notch would clip it. Wait, I think. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Right there. Either way, the problem is, so I go to this fucking sketch. I want to say it's that one, but I think it's this one. And I click pad, and nothing happens. Nothing's coming out. Even if I hit reverse, or symmetrical, or whatever. Maybe I'm stupid, and I'm just maybe this has something to do with it. Taper angle. That doesn't do shit. I can't do more than what? I don't know. See, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Look. I'm self-educated in CAD. The internet is teaching me how to do this. And I'm fucking stupid, okay? I'm fucking dumb. And I'm trying real hard. You know, like, look, this was really... I don't even know if this print's going to work or not. It looks like it will. Right? It looks like it will. I just need a little clippy clip. Because, like, look, I got the notches here on each side of this box. And I just need the little fucking lip right there on each side in very similar dimensions to just snap in. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? See, look, right there. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh boy. There it is. It's right there. Whoever told me to do Blender, I'm mad. I like doing this, right? That works. But doing right click and left click to move, to pan, doesn't work half the time because this stupid thing comes up. Anyway. Look, I got this perfect little lip right here. This perfect little thing. On both sides in the exact same spot. I did the math. It works. Each side should hold 750 to 900 cards, give or take. Maybe about 800, somewhere in between there. Like 825, something like that. Anyway, I just want this to click. I don't even know if I want it to be like outwards. Maybe I want it to be inwards, like a notch. I don't know how to make it do though, and I really need help. Maybe I should watch more tutorial videos. I don't know. But if anybody can help me make it do, that'd be cool. I mean, look, this shit right here. I was really proud of myself when I made this, because I was like, wow, look at that. That's fucking cool, homie. I mean, it's like really fucking cool, actually. It's fucking amazing. But I just want to make a magic card box for my homie that can hold all of his magic cards because somebody peed on his box. Please help me. I love you. Welcome to Costco. 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 I love you.